See, there looks really snatched, and then you go there, penguin. Snatched, penguin. These are the scars after just after 2 weeks. From what I saw online, oh god, yeah, oof, it does hurt a little on the lungs.
Okay, you guys close? You guys ready for this?
Mm-hmm.
Back that way. That's one.
Hi, it's Mayling and it's week 2 of the Rib Remodeling series. If you haven't checked out week 1, I suggest you go there first and then come back here. Please excuse the suitcases under my eyes, and my eyes are like red. The struggle is real. Sleep is really tough. Sleep is really tough with a corset on. It's just painful. So I've started to lie down now at week 2. You don't want to be twisting on your core because you feel like something's going to snap because, you know, they have been cracked. 6 ribs have been cracked. And you try to get up and you turn over to try to get up and get out of the bed. Your ribs just jolt and it's intense. It's really, really intense. I wish there was like a lever or a rope or something that I could just pull on. Half the time I ask for my boyfriend to give me his arm, but if he's asleep, then I'm like there like a, you know, a fly that's about to die, and his legs and his arms are just, or his wings and his legs, whatever, are like flapping in the air. That's how I feel when I'm trying to get out of the bed. Especially now that I've started to lie flat. Why I look really tired. I probably had about 3-4 hours sleep last night. I've not had a really good sleep since. As I mentioned in the last video, the doctor demonstrated how to resize and come down into the corset. So we're going to do that today, and I can't wait because I just feel like it's not going anywhere. I'm excited to get going, even though the pain again is going to be uncomfortable. But let's do it.
Mongal. A peaceful warrior, but my fist will do demolition. Ambition raw combined with a future vision. I train my heart to be pure with super intuition. Come for all is no cure to heal, it's my mission. Fly like a falcon, fly across the land and hit him with the fist of the Shaolin attack like a...
I'm in my surgical bra again, and I'm in that that tube for my stomach. Please excuse the granny fashion going on. So there's the corset. I'm excited to do this. The doctor, when he fitted me in the corset on the post-op, he gave me a pen and he marked where he fitted me, and that was the starting point. You can see a very faint like white line. I'll show you on each band. I'll show you. So I've been going to there and, you know, and matching the lines. Now that it's the 2nd week, I can start to come in tighter. He did give me a pen, but in true Mayling fashion, I don't know where it is. I've completely lost it. And hopefully it'll turn up again. But anyway, I do have a silver marker and this should work. So I'm supposed to go in 1 centimeter each week. But because I missed last week because something went wrong, when I went into the hyperbaric chamber, he advised me to go for 2 centimeters. Believe me, this is going to be painful. I would say that's 1 centimeter. Actually, I do have a tape measure. Let's just measure it. Ow. Ugh. Yeah, bending down in these corsets, it's like, it burns. It's like carpet burn. 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters. Alright. So I've gone from here to there. Let's do it. Pull this across. Again, I'm staying away from my stitches of the breast lift, so not to irritate it, and it's still sore and tender. Putting that there, putting this across like that. Okay, now see this corner here? Now when I bend down, that's going to stab me in the belly. So you just got to kind of like play around with it until it kind of goes a bit more cohesive. Right, that's there. I'm going to... Okay, I am going to be out of this corset by next week or the week after. So I'm going to send a message to my doctor and ask him to hurry up and send me the small one because, yeah. Actually, this doesn't feel too bad yet. It actually feels nice to be in a corset, which is crazy. It gives you some support on your cracked body. Yeah, on the hips. Come over. Now there, can you see? That was the old line. So again, I'm going to measure it 2 centimeters. I could have done this when it was off me, but I don't like anything easy, obviously, as you can tell. I like to make it difficult. To there. And again, you don't want this corner to be poking down, so try to align it. And I can feel I need to pull this down already because the Velcro is touching my skin. And that's not nice. Alright, and then the last one, which kind of binds everything together, and this is where I yelp. Right, pull this one across. This has Velcro on this side, so. And that's the old mark. 2 centimeters. Oh yeah, I'm out of space. I need that small corset. Let's mark this down. There's the new measurement. Whew. Oh wow. Yeah, that feels tight. See, there looks really snatched, and then you go there, penguin. Snatched, penguin. It's so weird. This binder just makes you look like a truck. Alright, that's the measurement done. I'm really happy. I actually feel like I could even go a bit more, to be honest. I shouldn't have waited. I should have went a bit more sooner. But, well, I'll probably say that, and then in about an hour's time I'm going to be crying. And again, next week on the next video, I will do a new measurement. Hopefully I have the new corset by then. We'll keep going in and keep going in. And for funsies, remember, this is over like 3 layers of corsets. 27.5. 27.5 on the outside. Just a note to have. Next week on week 3, I'm going to show you what was my starting measurement and where I am by week 3, because by then I've had 2 weeks in the corset because I missed a week, remember. And also the day before I flew, I had a Zozo Fit body scan. It's like this bodysuit that he gifted me, and I scanned my whole body and all my circumference, so I have that. On the 4-week mark, which is 1 month, I will do another scan, and let's see where my circumference is. Let's see if there's been a drastic change or not, and then I'll be totally gutted. Alright, I'm trying to show you the scars, and I filmed this once before, but I was totally showing a lot of side boobs, so I don't want to get banned on YouTube, so I'm doing this again. I'm going to try to just do this facing this way. These are the scars just after 2 weeks. This side is like practically minute. It's going to disappear very soon. This one, I think it's this one that I think he struggled to find that rib or something, because that's quite inflamed. It's the only one that really stands out. Or is it that one? Let me have a look. Yeah, it's this one. And then, yeah, he may have struggled with that one. That's the one that's quite evident. But I'm going to put some stuff on that to help with the scar and the recovery. Hopefully it'll disappear. But yeah, as you can see, the scars are not bad just after 2 weeks, and I haven't even started the scar treatment yet, which I'm going to show you what I've got and how I'm going to use it. But first, let me put a top on so I don't get banned. This is the stuff that I've got on Amazon. It's on my storefront. I got the clear. You can get this in skin tone and white, I think, but I got this on the clear, obviously, because it's going to look better. I just cut a few pieces already. Let's have a look. So I'm going to use something like this size. Actually, that's for how big my scar is. Even that's too big. Let me just cut this in half. Okay, that's all I need, because that's how big my scar is. I'm going to magically place this. Let me see. Yes, I got it. And then I'll probably just do one on that one as well. Where is it? Yeah, there. That's how small it is. The second one, I'm going to try to do. Alright, and then, alright, I'll go put one there as well. Those 3 little dots. From research and evidence, is the best thing you can do for scars, apparently, is massage. So you massage it and put the blood circulation in there, and then silicone tape or silicone cream. Let's do it. And all of these marks and drag marks are all from the corset. Okay, where is it? What's the biggest one there? That one. Alright. Leave it on all day. Put the corset on now, and then leave the tapes on until your next shower. I had a shower half an hour ago, so I'll take these off tomorrow morning before my next shower. The reason I'm filming this far away from you guys is because I'm scared I'm going to break the camera. If I get closer, the lens is going to shatter. Like my eyes are like bulging out, my skin's tingling. It's just, you're okay in the day. This corset keeps you up. What I've learned is try not to take the corset off or readjust it before you go to bed. Like if it's settled in the day, then try to just keep it on and sleep because it's already comfy and molded to your body. But if you readjust it, you're up all night tugging at it, it's tight. Sometimes it kind of gives you like a carpet burn. Last night, I take a whole mix of supplements to help me sleep because I suffer from insomnia. And last night I was doing my new batch and I forgot to put the melatonin in with the Benadryl and the other stuff. If you want my little combo that really helped me and my insomnia, let me know and I'll post it in the next video. I was doing the batch and I forgot to put the melatonin in. I saw it this morning and I was like, no wonder I only had like 4 hours sleep. And my eyes are burning right now. So, by the way, do you like my dining table? It's pretty nuts. It's pretty nuts. If you've seen my Malibu house vlog, then you see where we got it from. It's definitely a talking piece. What else do we need to talk about? This. This is going to be your best friend. It is called the Incentive Spirometer or Spirometer, depending what accent and where you came from. And for me, that's just a lot of places. So that's an Incentive Spirometer. Okay, I'm going to show you what you do. Because once you get your ribs cracked, they want to make sure that your lung capacity stays at maximum. Because obviously you're wearing a corset. Well, I think, because to be honest, I'm not really sure. They gave this to my boyfriend when I was passed out in the post-surgery room. And they told him what to do with this and he totally forgot. He was so like freaked out about what was going on and making sure I was okay. He wasn't really sure what to do with this. So I kind of guessed and looked it up. But, and it's a pity really because my operation was timed for 10 a.m. I didn't go in till 2 p.m. So for 4 hours, you know, I'm fasting from the night before. I couldn't drink any water. So I'm nervous and I'm anxious. And so for 4 hours I was sitting around. So I wish the nurses told me because my boyfriend's head just exploded and he was like, you're supposed to breathe in it. I was like, okay, that's really helpful. Anyway, so what I figured out is I will come over and if, oh my God, look at my hair even my hair's tired. All right, let's do this. Okay. Oh yes, right. So we have a gauge here. I'm not sure what this is for, but I suck to the top anyway. You don't blow in this, you suck in this. Okay. From what I saw online, oh God, yeah, oof. It does hurt a little on the lungs and in the corset. Just the rib cage, I don't know, just like at the very top. Anyway, so what I saw online is you want to try to hold it up the top level for like a couple of seconds. The first week, you're supposed to do this every hour that you're awake. You don't have to wake up to do this, but when you're awake, you're supposed to do this every hour to keep your lungs at maximum strength. And now that I'm like post 2 weeks up, the Dr. Cameron Erickson said that I can do this every 6 hours. But I just keep this in my bathroom, and every time I walk into my bathroom, I'll do one. I'm an overachiever, so if you're going to ask me to do something, I'm going to do it a lot. Hence why I was born in Liverpool and ended up in LA. I just like reach for the stars continuously. So I mentioned something went wrong, and I'm going to show you some, but it got scary for a while. Okay, I think I can show that. Can you see that? So I nearly got necrosis. Yeah, because of where the scars were for the revision. I had the corset on and then it was close to the incisions, and obviously because it's tight, the blood supply to my incisions got compromised and it was blue like on the Monday, the day I got home, and then the next day when I took the corset off, it was like going black. Straight away I messaged my doctor and he said get into a hyperbaric chamber today, latest tomorrow. So I had to find one. I found one in Beverly Hills, but it was closed on the weekend. And then I found another one that was open on the Saturday, Sunday. I live in Malibu, so I went through Topanga and I went up to Tarzan. How you say it? See, I just had this dyslexia of the tongue. I get all my words jumbled up. This is no sleep as well. This is no sleep. OxygenWell. OxygenWell in Tarzania. OxygenWell in Tarzana. One of them is right. The bed that they had, I wasn't even allowed my car keys inside. No metal, No, not my iPhone, not my iPad, because they said it'll just like blow up in bits. Nothing was allowed. It was just different. This hyperbaric chamber was like the Ferrari of chambers. My doctor told me to find a bed that was at least 2.0 oxygen. The one I found was actually a 2.4, but I needed a prescription, so the doctor sent me a prescription. What was different was in Beverly Hills, it was at this plastic surgeon's office. You know, they let me go in with my iPad and my iPhone. Here's some notes for hyperbaric chamber. Let's get into that. Hyperbaric chamber, if you're doing it for something like recovery to avoid necrosis, then you want to go at least 2.0, and I went to a 2.4. Try to go for 2 hours. I did for the Saturday and Sunday anyway. And you can't have a soft top. If it's for a medical recovery instance, then it has to have a hard top. The soft tops are great for your skin, great for circulation, but you want a medical one, it's got to be hard top. And the one that I went to was not even glass. It was totally metal. It looked like the Yellow Submarine in the Beatles. I actually have a video of it to show here.
Where's the iPad?
I'll put it on the outside window there.
Fabulous.
Anyway, after 6 sessions, back to back, every day of at least 90 to 2 hours in the bed, I got the all clear. And now it's fine. Both of my boobies are alive, so thankfully that was good. And then I had some kind of like tape over the incisions, and I called a girl that my friend recommended. I'll put her details here because she was the bomb. Like, she's known for doing like massages. She does all the medical stuff when you she takes all the drains out. She does all the injections and all that stuff. And she's really good. It's really hard to find someone in LA. My friend was driving all the way to OC to go to these medical places, but she comes to you. She was lovely, and I got her to come to go and see to my stitches because she snipped all my stitches for me, and then she gave me a massage and like just made sure everything was good and alive. Her prices are amazing. Her name is Iris, and I really, really recommend Iris. And another tip I can give you, the nurses told my boyfriend that when I cough, it's gonna hurt, and it does. And when you sneeze, it really hurts your ribs. You feel it, you know, sometimes when you have the flu and you like cough and your ribs will hurt. So imagine having 6 cracked ribs and you cough. It's scary. They recommend that you get a pillow and you hug it in your stomach and you kind of cough like down, or you sneeze like down. Like, don't be standing up because it just takes the impact off the ribs. Little tip there. Always have a pillow around. I'm going to wrap it up here for week 2. Please, any comments, any questions, leave them down below. Please subscribe. Click that notification bell so you get a ding when I post week 3, which I'll be doing this Friday. And I'm going out Friday for the first time since this has all happened. So I'm going to get dressed up, get back to being human. So that'll be a fun video. Also, I'm going to show you what I've been eating to maintain my muscle because I'm not training for 3 months. So the muscle that I do have, I want to keep hold of it. I don't want to get skinny fat or like Jabba the Hutt. I'm a certified personal trainer. I was for 12 years in Singapore and London, and a nutritional advisor. Stopped all that, became an actor, but I still have those tips and tricks tucked away in my little back pocket for myself. And I'll share them with you. Hope these little vlogs are helping you guys. Not everyone is for the surgery journey. I'm a person who thinks each to their own, and if it gives me a little bit of confidence, I'm gonna go because my dog's in the pool and I have to keep throwing him his toy, so I'm gonna get out of here. I'll see you at week 3. Oh, you got all the toys for me to throw. Good boy. Good boy. You ready? So elegant. Go on, baby.